Well, I'm mainly a backend developer, software developer, with more than 20 or more or less of experience working on several web development projects and so on. I have been working on sales too, but I feel better working, touching code. But well, it's mainly my expertise, and the last 3 years I have been involved on a company on Intelliment Security, working on DevOps and network automation. That was pretty new for me, and it got exciting because I found new things that I have not seen before, like for example how to do network changes. I thought that for me it was impossible to think that it's done like it has been done 10 years ago and so on. So for me right now it's a good place to work and a new experience to be more involved on automating these kind of things that, as stated in the talk, needs to be improved. The main problem that we are trying to solve is to improve the operation inside the network and to improve how all the teams need to be coordinated to perform changes on critical, maybe the most critical infrastructure that you could have in your company, that are the firewalling. If something is wrong there, you will be exposed to a security problem. And this is mainly the most important thing that we are trying to solve, how to perform in an automated way with the most range of use cases possible to be applied. And one of them is for the DevOps, where there exists a lot of bottlenecks that we can solve too. It depends, 50-50. There exists a lot of legacy devices, a lot of networking vendors that doesn't want to improve things like, for example, the APIs or something like to increase the security. They only want to buy more devices. So in addition, in the other hand, we got a lot of new vendors that are more related with this one, and they want to increase the security. And in addition, we are living in a hybrid environment. We can migrate to a public cloud or to private cloud, and it's quite difficult to specify and to ensure that all will be perimeter security guaranteed. So for my perspective, I think that if you go through new waves of automation and you go to different kind of view about security, not only focused on legacy or on-premise solutions, you go through forward better security. Not necessary. I think that there exists a lot of good work done on cloud providers. Cloud providers are more and more present on security conferences. There exist new conferences on new topics, like, for example, the joining of the DevOps and SecOps, that is DevSecOps. And the cloud providers are there and are working on improving his network infrastructure and the network policy definition and all the security related to in all the layers, not only on the perimeter layers, in other stages, like, for example, the isolation of the container, like, for example, the talk that we said with Jessica Frisell, or so on, other talks, like, for example, Ara Pulido, talking about the security of the IoT. So I think that the cloud providers are very compromising with security, and they are moving faster to achieve that.